Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And if you're liking my video, I would love it if you would push the like and the share button. And if you're on YouTube and you would like more videos like this, please push the share button.
Subscribe button
Below. Now today I'm working on a Halloween, since this is, September 30th? Woohoo, we're getting in the holiday season. So here we go.
Today I'm using the transfer 31 October. I'm also going to use some little critters from Halloween Fun. Now I'm going to do this whole thing in white chalk paste, except I'm going to leave the circle in the middle alone. I'm going to use my critters from my Halloween Fun to put in the middle when I'm done. Now on this one, we are going to do some layers, and I have some tips for you on that so that you don't pull up the first layer. First of all, fuzzing, that takes the stickiness off your transfer. Second of all, put a little wax on there. And this is the first time I tried this. And it really worked. Okay, now with the pumpkin, and now this is where I put a little bit of the wax. And I'm putting purple on the spider. And it came right off, so easy. This is an awesome tip.
And we're all done. So if you're loving Couture as much of it as I do, you can just go over to my website, couture.com/Cherie Criswell, and you can shop, or you can join and become a designer like me. I'm loving this stuff, and it's so fun. It's a little addicting, but come on over, take a look, see what you think. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.